Hi, this is Kevin from Reisch Roofing at 14 Library in Edison, New Jersey, doing a repair attempt for Statefarm. There is wind damage throughout the whole roof. These chalk marks are actually from your inspector's report. One thing to think about when you're going to do a repair attempt is the quality of the shingles. You can see there was a repair done here and there is damage to the surrounding shingles. There was a repair done here and there's damage around to the surrounding shingles as well. There was another repair here, same thing happened. These were done by other contractors, not our company. Another thing to take note of is that there are multiple layers on this roof. That comes into a factor when it comes to repairing a shingle, whether or not the bottom layer is a nailable surface. And then you also got to look at the quality of the shingles. Now I know the policy does not owe for wear and tear, but it does owe to restore it to pre-storm conditions. That means after the repair there should be no damage around the repair site. This is the shingle we are going to repair, and you can see the shingles above it. The granulars and the age of these shingles, as you can see, the fiberglass mat is already coming through these shingles. This is a factor when it comes to repairability as well. But we will perform this repair and we will see how it goes. Let's see if I can get this to stand up. Okay. So I get asked a lot why I take out 2 rows above. It's because the nails in these shingles hold this one in place, which is why these shingles above it need to get lifted. You can see that the second layer underneath it is organic. It is starting to deteriorate a little bit. I also get asked a lot to do the repair attempt with a roof snake. We don't recommend using a roof snake for a few reasons. One of them being that this doesn't hold the nail perfectly straight, so as you're going it moves, and the manufacturer requires that this nail head be flat against the roof surface. The only way to do that is to, after getting the nail started, you have to remove this and put it on top, and as you're hammering it in, you need to have this surface flat against the roof in order to get this nail head flat and not crooked. And the only way to do that is to have it flat like so, and when you do that nail hit, that hammer hit onto it, it puts a divot in the shingles beneath it, similar to like a hail hit. So essentially you are crushing the nails, the granulars on the shingle beneath it, which is then affecting those shingles and the longevity of those shingles. I will do one nail to show you, but then the rest of them I'm going to do with the regular standard way, just because I don't want to cause further damage by impact marks. One more thing is, we haven't even done the nailing yet, and you could already see that the shingles are starting to get creases in them, which was not there prior to the storm. But let us finish the repair. Oh. So I did that one nail, and you can see right here the granulars are getting crushed, which you don't want to do that on these shingles. That's why, similar to hail damage, but it's not hail damage, but it's the same concept. Let me do the other nails. No, don't do that. That's why I need somebody to help me holding a camera. So after the repair is done, you can see creases formed on the top. They're starting on these as well. This damage was not here prior to the storm, shouldn't be here after the storm. The roof snake caused impact on the shingle beneath it. You also have fiberglass showing through the shingles around it. I mean, you have a lot of wind damage on this roof. Prior repairs also show damage around them. I mean, based on everything here, between the quality of the shingle, the number of layers, the organic nature of the second layer beneath it, the damage to the surrounding shingles, I don't think this roof is repairable. Each one of these repairs, if you're proposing to repair them, you'd be causing 5 damaged shingles in addition to the 1 you're replacing. So if you have 50 damaged shingles, you're then going to have 250 damaged shingles for every 50 you repair. It just doesn't make sense. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.